The creation of new autoresponders can be performed quickly and easily through the My20i control panel. To get started, you'll want to log into your My20i account and select Manage Hosting or Manage Domains, depending on whether you have a hosting package assigned to your domain or whether the domain is just registered with 20i. In this case, we have a hosting package, so we'll head to Manage Hosting. If you've just got a domain name, then head to Manage Domains and follow the same steps. Next, select Options and then Manage for the domain for which you wish to create the autoresponder. After you've done this, select the Autoresponders icon under the Email section. Then you'll want to enter the local part of the mailbox for which you wish to use the autoresponder. For example, if you have a mailbox called info@ and wish to apply an autoresponder to it, you'll enter info into this field. Once you're happy, ensure the correct domain has been selected from the drop-down menu. You'll then be able to enter an email subject. This is simply the subject that'll be sent in the auto-response to whomever is mailing the address. The text or HTML checkboxes can be selected depending on whether you'd like your out-of-office reply to be sent in plain text or HTML. The message field is simply that which you'd like to send as a response to any emails you receive whilst the autoresponder is enabled. For example, you may wish to write a message that informs anyone that emails you that you are currently out of office and the date of your return. If required, an autoresponder can have a forward to email address whereby any mail during that period will be forwarded. This can be useful if you need to pass emails on to a colleague in your absence. And finally, start from and finish on dates can be optionally specified, whereby the autoresponder will only be enabled between those two dates. This may be useful if you'd like the autoresponder to stop automatically after you return to the office. Once you're happy, select Add Autoresponder and the autoresponder will be added. It's important to note that you will need to allow up to 30 minutes for the changes to the autoresponder to become live. So don't panic if the autoresponder doesn't work immediately. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team, who are always happy to assist.